Place the volume button up and down outside and then fit metal buckle inside. Press the button to ensure it responds finger properly. Place the power button outside and then fit the metal buckle inside. Install 4 pieces of metal fastening pieces on the housing inside. 8 Phillips screws required. Place microphone and loudspeaker dustproof meshes into housing. Install mute button with wireless charging NFC volume flex fastening piece. Place flex assembly inside housing and switch mute button to ensure it responds properly. Fasten button flex assembly. 6 pieces of Phillips screws required. Remove adhesives from flex and then the flex can stick firmly. Remove all adhesives from wireless charging NFC flex and stick it on back housing. Place Wi-Fi flex inside the top of back housing. There are total 4 pieces of fastening piece. 7 pieces of Phillips screws required. All fastening pieces should be in correct position to ensure flex function workable. Install the power flex. 2 pieces of Phillips screws required. Stick the power flex on back housing. Put the silicone gasket on the LED diffuser and install it into diffuser bracket. Install Bluetooth antenna flex. Total 4 pieces of Phillips screws required. All fastening holes should be in correct position to ensure better Bluetooth signal. Install loudspeaker flex. 3 pieces of Phillips and 1 piece of Phillips pin 2.5 screw required. Place the gasket piece on the dustproof mesh. Remove adhesive off and place charging dock flex on the back housing. Remove microphone pad and stick microphone gasket on the flex. Install charging dock flex. 2 pieces of Phillips screws required. Install microphone plastic cover. 4 pieces of Phillips pin 2.5 screws required. Put loudspeaker silicone gasket. Install taptic engine and loudspeaker. Two fastening metal pieces. 3 Phillips, 2 Phillips pin 2.5 and 1 Y-type screws required. Finally, install the charging dock cover. 5 pieces of Y-type screws required. Test all the functions after assembling, including power on-off, Siri, mute, volume, microphone recording, loudspeaker, back camera, charging dock and wireless charging.